All right, so for this side, we're going to find the area in terms of pi. So before we did circumference, last week we did 22/7. I'm not going to worry about that with area just because I want to make sure we can focus on how to solve area with our just one formula instead of having to use really big numbers like 22/7. Okay, so in terms of pi, remember it means to leave the pi symbol in the formula. Okay, so 9 is a radius. Okay, so remember in terms of pi means leave the symbol, the pi symbol. Okay, so 9 is a radius, so we're going to write them 2 times. So 9 times 9 is 81, and then we stick it next to our pi symbol. So we get 81 pi, and this is going to be centimeters squared for area. Okay, so this one is 20 millimeters. So here's our formula. 20 represents a diameter since it goes all the way across. So again, we'll leave the pi symbol. We cannot leave 20 as a diameter. It has to be a radius. So again, cut it in half, which is going to make it 10. We write that down 2 times. So remember, 10 times 10 should not equal back your diameter. So 10 times 10 is 100. And then we'll stick the pi symbol next to it. Oops, let me put my units. Millimeters squared. All right, so let's write down our formula. A equals pi r squared. 5 represents a diameter. Okay, so again, we're going to have to make it into a radius. So this one actually does not come out evenly since it's an odd number. Half of 5 is 2.5. So we're going to have to write that down 2 times. 2.5 times 2.5. We are going to have to multiply those because, again, 2.5 times 2.5 is not going to be 5. It's going to be a different number. So I'm going to multiply those together. So we get 6.25. Again, put the pi symbol, and it's going to be feet squared. Okay, so let's flip it over on our next side. So these are just going to be basic area problems, just finding what is the correct answer. Okay, so which of the following best shows the area of the dartboard if the radius is 8 inches? Okay, so again, start off with our formula, pi squared. So they don't give you pi. We use 3.14. It does say radius, so that's nice. That means we're just going to write down 8 twice. So 8 times 8 is 64. And then we're going to do 3.14 times 64. And then we'll find the closest answer. So we get 200.96, and that's going to be closest to our 201.1. All right, which of the following best shows the area of the top of the bar stool if the diameter is 12 inches? Okay, so again, we'll start off with our formula. A equals pi r squared. It does say diameter, so we do need to cut that in half. So again, they don't give you pi. We use 3.14. So if my diameter is 12, half of 12 is 6. So we write that down 2 times. We're going to multiply that together, which is 36. And then we'll times that by 3.14. And then we'll pick our closest answer. Which is 113.04, which is closest to C. All right, so your homework is going to be like this, what we just did. It's going to be 9 problems. It's going to have you find the area of a circle, no circumference. Again, make sure you use your one formula, and then if it's a diameter, cut it in half. If you don't have a diameter and it's a radius, just write it down for twice.